Okay, so this is yet another example from beginning C++ through game programming. Um, this example illustrates the use of the uh, logical operators. Let me just bring up a picture here. So there are these operators. The not operator is just is the exclamation point, and then two ampersands is the and operator, and two vertical bars next to each other are the uh, or operator. So these look like absolute value symbols. They're above there's like above my enter key on my laptop. There's a backslash, and then you have to hold down the shift key and you get these bars here. So basically what happens is, so think of P and Q as two Boolean variables that can take on the values true or false. The not operator operates on one Boolean value at a time, and so basically what it does is it flips when P is true, it flips it to false. When P is false, it flips it to true. Okay. The AND operator and the OR operator, these are both binary operators, so they operate on two values. When P and Q are both true, then P and Q is true. So this expression, P and Q, will evaluate to true if both these values are true. Otherwise, the expression evaluates to false. Okay. With OR, if both P and Q are false, then the expression evaluates to false. Otherwise, it evaluates to true. So how that works here is we have these two variables, username and password, which are both strings, and then we have this Boolean value, success. And we have here a do-while loop. So it starts with a do and ends with a while. And our expression for the while test is our Boolean with a not in front of it. So if success, since success is not initialized, it's like inherently set to false. So so then, as long as it's false, not false is going to be true, right? So it'll be true unless we set success to true. So we go through here, and actually, yeah, even if we haven't initially set success to anything, it'll be set to something along here because of the if else, right? So and notice how we're using the AND operator in here. So we say if the username is S. Meyer and the password is civilization. So we match up. So the password has to go along with the username. So different users have different passwords. Then if they match up, then we set success to true. Otherwise, we set success to false, and then we do the test. So there's one case where we use an OR, which is with the username of guest or password of guest. So you can type in guest as either the username or the password, and you can get in as a guest. So let's try it out. Let's say debug, start debugging. Let's say username s. Meyer civilization, and it says, hey Sid, press any key to continue. Or if we said username guest, password anything, I'll say welcome guest. If we get it wrong, put my name, And I don't have a password set up, so it's going to say login failed and try again. So I could go in as guest again. All right, so that's how that one works. You might want to stick in a prompt to tell the user that they have the option of signing in as guests, so that they don't stay forever in that loop. So you could say something like, use your own or sign in as guest. Maybe that would be a little nicer. Something like that. But yeah, so that's how the Boolean operators work. Same as in C#.